Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we're going to do a mini facial at home so we can keep healthy glowing skin. So let's get started. So I'm going to use a facial oil, a scrub, exfoliator, my Clarisonic brush. This is my Mia 2 brush. I hope you guys can see that. I'm using my black soap and aloe juice toner along with a mini steamer, my clay mask that I made, and tweezer and razor if you need that. And of course my shea butter moisturizer with a few sheet masks. Show you guys a few different ones. So we're going to start with our face oil, and this is where I take the opportunity to do a little facial massage. This doesn't have to be anything long. I do this from 5 to 15 minutes and I just use my hand. I don't use my facial massage tool, so just make sure you go massaging your face, massaging your neck. And guys, again, I do this a lot slower, so this is just me speeding up the video. And make sure guys you go in and take your time to massage your neck properly as well. So after I massage my face with the oil, guys, I'm going to grab my exfoliator, which is my DIY coffee scrub, and I'm exfoliating my face with this. Exfoliating your face, guys, is one of the key parts this mini facial. I usually would do this in the shower, guys, because it is a little messy. Exfoliating your face helps to remove dry and or dead skin cells on your face that may be causing any skin problems like acne breakouts. It also helps increase the blood circulation and keep healthy glowing skin. I want you guys to know that I am not scrubbing hard on this. I'm just lightly massaging my face. The coffee grind will do their job. This is one of my favorite things to do because after you exfoliate your face, I do this also for my neck, guys. You will feel the difference. After I exfoliate my face, guys, this is a great time to shave your face, and then I would move on to washing my face. And I'm going to use my black soap, but on my Clarisonic brush, I'm going to wash my face with that brush. Now this actually has a timer on it, and you go from forehead to your nose area and mouth, and then you do your cheeks. And I just clean my face, and after that I'm going to also wash my neck, and we're going to just rinse it off. If you guys notice, my face, it looks nice. It already looks a lot better than when I started. There's more life to it. There was more blood flow. It looks a lot better already. So the next thing we're going to do is steam those pores to make sure any extra dirt that was on the skin or inside my pores that didn't come out, that they do come out. So I'm going to use my little steamer. I steam my face for 15 minutes when I'm doing my little mini spa day, guys. And I'm using this little Conair I got from Walmart. It's pretty cheap. And all you do is let that heat up, and you sit there, guys. You just steam your face. Help to open up the pores. This is where it's going to loosen any buildup of dirt on your skin and inside those pores for a deeper clean. It also improves, again, the blood circulation as well on your face. So if you have anything like blackheads, this is a great way to soften them up on your skin, to remove them a lot easier. And after this, your skin texture already look nicer after you just clean and steam your face. Your face looks cleaner. And I like to actually do my clay mask after I steam my face because my pores are already open. The dirt that's in the pores, if there's any, already came up. So I'm going to put this face mask on. I don't use a lot of it, guys. I'm going to spread this all over my face and just leave this for 5 minutes. Because I did so much cleaning to my face, I usually don't leave this clay mask for long. I just needed to pull out any little dirt and grime that is in my pores that's already open. So I leave this on, guys, for 5 minutes, and that's it, and I rinse it off afterwards. So you guys can see after 5 minutes, it doesn't take long because I don't put a lot, it dries out. And we're just going to rinse that off. And this is your skin afterward, guys. And this is when I'm going to grab my mirror and do my eyebrows. Now, I'm going to steam my face a little bit more just around my forehead area and make sure I dry that out. This helps to open up my pores and make it a lot easier to pluck my eyebrows. I don't pluck them a lot and I don't take a lot out. You guys see my eyebrows, they're not thin at all. I just pretty much keep the shape that I have and make sure I take out those little areas. And afterward, guys, I use my toner. I wipe my face, make sure it's pretty clean, make sure everything looks nice, and I don't have any dirt and grime on that cotton ball. I do all my face and around my neck and chest area, guys. Now afterward, guys, of course, I grab my little shea butter moisturizer and I just use a tiny little spoon. This is actually a little cosmetic spoon I got from another product I'm using for this, so I don't have to dip my hand in there. I'm going to put this all over my lip, and also, guys, of course, put this all over my face and neck, and I'm going to massage it in just like I would the oil, just for a minute or two, and make sure all my face and neck area is covered, that everything looks great. And of course, guys, you know, I put this on my hand as well when I'm doing my face, my hand healthy, and my face is glowing already. I absolutely love it. Now the last step I do, guys, this is extra. I put a little sheet mask over my lip. It's a little lip mask. This is to hydrate my lips even more and help the moisturizer penetrate. And I'm going to put a sheet mask over my face. If you're using these sheet masks, that little flap, if you're going to lay down, you can use it and cover your eyes and just lay down with it like that. I do it sometime, but since I'm going to be up for those 20 minutes, I'm gonna leave it open so I can see while I'm walking around the house, guys. And after 20 minutes, you can tell, guys, some of the areas they're drying out. That's where it's all in your skin. If you take out the lip mask, you can see how dried out they look because they hydrated your lips and face. And I'm going to also massage that residue that's on my skin. And I saw somebody do this. It works great. Don't just leave it sitting on your skin. Massage it like it's moisturizer. It'll feel and look even better. And that's my facial, guys. My mini at-home facial. You can do this cheap. You don't have to go to the spa. This works great because doing a facial, guys, help to reduce stress. It helps with blemishes and clean up hyperpigmentation on your skin, and also gives you even skin tone by fading out acne scars and treating breakouts and any other skin condition you may have. Also, this is going to help tighten up your skin, rejuvenate it, and also boost product absorption, guys. So this is a great little thing to do. Even if you can do this once a month, try doing a facial. It will work miracles for your skin, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, guys, and go over and watch my last video.